Video that you're watching actually came from another YouTuber called Fight for Truth or Die for a Lie. His channel was deleted because I don't know why exactly, actually. He posted a lot of copyrighted content, and that's very risky, you know? And that's how you get your channel deleted, by doing risky things like that, right? But essentially he's showing that all the celebrities that he's showing right now have been replaced. But I do want to say that not everybody on the world stage is replaced yet. Like, they all have doubles, right? But they're not all replaced yet. So, like, somebody like Yeet and, like, all the underground artists like Can and SoFago and all of them, they're selling out right now. But they haven't, like, been replaced yet. Like, it's still them. Like, that's really the real Yeet. That's really the real Can. That's really the real SoFago. You know what I mean? That's really them. But they will be replaced if once they act out of line, or they start getting fed up with the deal, or they start not liking the fact of how things went when you sell your soul. Like, then they replace them. You know what I mean? That's when they get rid of that character. You know what I'm saying? And in this video, he actually shows the hyper mask. He shows the hyper realistic mask, and he shows how they make it so that you can actually see it. It's made with like clay and mostly just clay and silicone. You know what I mean? It's not very hard to do this type of stuff, but it is very easy to deceive the masses when they do it. You know, everybody believes that these celebrities are real people that should be trusted and that they should worship. I don't know why everybody believes this. This is not the reality of things. If you believe this, you are living in a distorted reality. You are delusional. You are denying observable reality, which the observable reality is that these people are wearing silicone masks, and they have multiple doubles, and they're being played multiple ways, okay? He shows a clip of the Kardashian, Kim Kardashian, and he shows how she's replaced, and it's insane. Like, he literally shows, look, he's showing it right now. Look how many doubles she has. She has like 12, we don't even know how many doubles there really are. Like, this is how many they're showing us. It's literally a group. It's a bigger group than, like, that's enough people that if they tried to attack you, you would lose the fight. Even if it was women, like, you would lose. Look at this. Look how many of them there are. There's more than that, probably. This is just how many they're showing us, bro. I think I'm counting, like, I don't know, like, that's like 10 off of just me looking at them. Like, I can't even tell how many there are because they're showing them quickly, but it's a lot. Like, imagine if that many people tried to jump you. You know what I mean? That's a lot of people right there that are playing the role of Kim Kardashian, and that's just what Hollywood is admitting to us. They're literally showing us that these people are doubles playing the role of her. And now he's showing the hyper-realistic mask. And also, he's right. They do use multiple masks to make you believe that it's a clone, when it's not really no clone. It's just a mask. It's a different mask, okay? And they use surgery as damage control to make us believe that, like, the person is really just changing because of normal circumstances. No, it's not normal circumstances. The person has been replaced and filled in by another celebrity, another character, okay? Another distraction, okay? And then this person will wear a silicone mask, a clay silicone prosthetic mask, and then they'll play that role, or they'll just wear prosthetics, okay? But you can see how realistic these masks are. These masks will deceive you easily. I mean, you're not paying enough attention to this type of thing. If you're not in this community and you're not woke to this type of thing, you will be delusional. You will live in a distorted reality. You will not understand the truth of all these things, you know? And that's what's really going on, you know? So all these guys, all these big celebs you see, Morgan Freeman, all of them, they're all replaced. All of them. They all have deep fakes. Oh, man. You know how much is going on with these guys? Like, I can't, words can't explain this type of stuff to you. And this is a video that another YouTuber, Conscious X, posted. He posted this video on his Instagram, and I guess Fight for Truth or Die for a Lie decided to put this clip in his video just because, I mean, it's a very good clip. It shows you how, like,